Assalamualaikum. So today we are discussing about the hair removal laser, the myth busters about the hair removal laser. Who want the hair removal laser? Those people who have darker, thicker hair, those people who are fed up of the fine hair as well, and those who have the complications of folliculitis, जिनको वैक्स के बाद folliculitis हो जाता है, या strawberry type appearance of legs and arms हो जाती हैं, and they want a very smooth silky finishing of the skin. It is better to get the hair removal laser done. Myth busters about hair removal. There are so many patients who have concern that before doing the hair removal laser we have to cut the hair with the razors. Why is it so? Keep in mind, the extra hair on the skin we need to cut because we don't want to leave the burn on the skin by damaging this extra hair follicle through the laser. जब ये कट जाता है surface का बाल, so what happens, the laser beam targets your deep hair follicle and damages it permanently. Okay, so this hair removal laser is permanent hair reduction, not permanent hair removal. That is very important. Selecting the machine hair removal is very important. मुख्तलिफ नामों के साथ आती हैं. That is the best is Candela, then it comes Photona and Cynosure. So they are providing different type of hair removals, which is long pulse Nd:YAG, which is alexandrite. Then there are different varieties as diodes, and IPL is not a laser hair removal. It's intense pulse light. Okay, fine hair जो है, mostly people are doing it with the Q-Search laser. Q-Search is not a hair removal laser. It is just a bleaching laser, and temporarily, yes, it affects that fine hair not to grow that quicker. The treatment and the solution of the treatment of choice and the solution for the finer hair is to go for the alexandrite hair removal laser, which is safer for skin type 1, 2, 3 and 4 who are not very darker. Okay, after the laser people start seeing a little bit of acne form eruptions. I must call it pseudo folliculitis or the edema, the perifollicular edema. That is not acne. Laser से acne नहीं generate होती. This is a perifollicular edema. Okay, so what happens, what you need to do some sun protection, aloe vera gel soon after the laser treatment, and do not apply Fusicort creams, please. अगर लगानी भी है, just limit it to 2 nights, not more than that, because if you keep on using it, it will start giving you some extra acne, extra hair on the skin, because that contain the corticosteroids. Very important to tell you, आपने 3 दिन से ज़्यादा Fusicort नहीं लगानी होती, because most of the people coming here in the clinics, I talk to them, they keep on using for months and months, which is hazardous to the skin. Peach fuzz के लिए mostly the razors have been used at home, which is okay, like it's just like a waxing, it's just like a threading, but it's not the hair removal maneuver. It is temporarily affecting the hair removal. The best is to go for alexandrite laser. Okay, that is safe. Do we have to continue the IPL machines at home? Yes, you can for underleg and underarms, not for your face, not for rest of the body, because it can lead into complication that is known as the pseudo hirsutism, जो कि लेजर हेयर रिमूवल का साइड इफेक्ट होता है. मोस्टली लोगों ने देखा होगा जो हेयर रिमूवल कराते हैं, they start seeing the growth on the neck, they start seeing the growth on the back as well. It's important to select the right fluents. IPL machines are good for thicker hair. This is intense pulse light. That is not a laser. I hope my information is valuable for you. If you have questions, please ask me again and again, and I would love to answer you. And this is a very detailed topic. I can't conclude it in a few minutes. Take care of yourself. Have a good day. Inshallah, I'll see you soon for my next video. Bye.